Hi, my name is Heather. I'm one of the service advisors here at HomeTowne Auto Repair and Tire, and I'd like to take just a few moments to go over some of the things that we're doing during this difficult time. One of our options is the pickup and delivery of your vehicle to your home. You can call to schedule that between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m., and then we'll deliver your vehicle back to you between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. If you decided to bring your vehicle into our shop and don't want to come into our office, you have a couple options. You can use our drop-off envelopes even if we're already open, as well as giving us a call while you're in your vehicle, and one of our service advisors can come out to you, get your keys, and go over your information. We are also increasing the amount of times we are cleaning areas such as our common areas, waiting room, and bathroom after every use. We will also make sure that all points of contact in your vehicle has been cleaned, as well as your keys, before we give them back to you. As always, we are very grateful for your continued support and loyalty, and we will do everything we can on our end to make this time less hectic.